Hey guys, I'm Dash from Woodworking with Dash. Today we are going to make a Japanese toolbox. Here I am budding the blackwood, trying to keep it as thick as possible. So we can cut it on the bandsaw later and get two pieces out of it. Love one by the helical head. And now just putting it through the thicknesser. Trying to keep it as thick as possible. Look at the golden colour of that. Chocolate colour. And ripping it down to about 100 mil. What a great timber that is, the blackwood. And cutting it on the bandsaw so we get two halves out of it. Two ends of the box. And just finishing it now. Make sure the bottom fits. And winding the saw over 45 degrees so I can cut the miters. I love my sliding table saw. And just cutting the miters now. And cutting the other one. And ripping the top off the small end for the sliding lid to go past. And giving it a quick sand before I assemble it. And using the masking tape method as usual. And gluing it up now with the Type Bond free glue. Got to be careful, it stains the blackwood a bit, but still good glue. And putting the box in, and then a little bit more glue on the end. Oops. And then folding the box up like a piano accordion. Don't you love the masking tape method? And we're going to just wipe the excess glue off and put a box clamp on it. Look at that. Just pulling it up a bit now, so it's in the centre. And tightening it up. And here I am just marking for the top sides to be cut off square. And I do that with a tenon saw. And cutting it the other way, so everything's nice and square. And then make sure the lid fits right, and just marking the ends and getting just a little bit of edge tape about the right size that I needed for the curve, and just marking it out. There you go. Putting it back on. There you go. And I've got to put a stopper. I've got to glue a stopper on to the top of the lid. And I'll leave it overhang each end. And I'll cut it off later. But that way you don't have to get them exactly glued up right. And using a 1/2 inch spacer for the surrounds. I glued the two little ones on first, the end ones. But they're the main ones that have to be tight to the ends. Okay, with these surrounds, you don't even have to cramp them. You just use a 1/2 inch spacer to get a parallel, a little bit of glue, and just rub them in, and just leave them. And now I do the 4.5 ones, the top and bottom ones. And here I am cutting out the walnut for the handle. I like the American walnut, it's magnificent timber to work with. I like it a lot. And the bandsaw works good too, cutting it out. And cutting at the top now. And I'll go sand it up on the sander. and put a half round over it, and then just fix it onto the surround with a screw, and I put a cap in the screw, plug in the screw and cut it down. There you go guys, one box, one Japanese toolbox, finished, ready to sand. Look at the colour on that, black wood with red cedar top and a walnut handle. What a great looking box. It pops, but I'll say everything pops, don't I? Hey guys, thanks for watching. Check out the longer version of the video for a more detailed look at exactly how I make this box. And please subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you.